So now we are going to do 11 part of models and auxiliaries. A part 11. 1 dash eat dinner too late. Should not, need not. So what will come here? Avika?
Ma'am, should not.
Absolutely correct. Should not, because here we are giving advice. Okay. So here we are giving advice that one should not eat. Yes, that's why should not will come. Should not will come. Next. You dash regularly visit your dentist. Again, it's the advice. So what will come, Srajal? Can you tell me? Srajal, unmute yourself. Ananya Jain, tell beta. Ananya, tell.
Should.
Yes, should. Again, it is giving advice, so we will use should. Yes. Next one. She was afraid that if she requested him again, he dash refuse. She dash refuse. He dash refuse. Anupriya. Lavanya, you can tell. Lavanya. Yes, beta. She was afraid that if she requested him again, he dash refuse.
He might refuse.
Yes, might refuse. He might refuse. Next one. If you are unruly, you dash be kept back after school. Will shall hai? Or is it unruly? Can or shall? Okay. Can or shall. Swastik, tell this one.
Ma'am, shall.
You are unruly, you shall be kept back. Yes, you are giving advice here. Shall. Suggestion. You shall. Okay, fine. Next. Next one. B part. Now we have to do B part, B1. I think you have done all these, children. Jayavardhan, try the next one, beta. Dash, you please tell me the direction to the hotel.
Can you please tell me the direction to the hotel?
Very good. Can you please? Next one. You dash pay in cash. They do not accept credit cards. Prajwal,
Yes, ma'am.
tell beta.
You
dash
can
pay in
pay in
cash.
cash. They do not accept credit cards.
So you can do it means you can do it. There is other option also. So we cannot put can here. You must pay in
You
cash.
should.
Yes, you must pay in cash. It is obligation that we have to do it necessarily, that we have to pay in cash because they are not accepting credit cards. Okay. I dash come home from the office today. Arav Sharma, can you try this one? I dash come home from the office today. Arav, unmute yourself. Yashika, unmute.
Ma'am, the answer of third part is should not.
I should not come home. Should not, where we are putting should not. We have not studied any model with should not. Anyone else will try? Lavanya?
Will. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I will. Absolutely correct. I will come.
Ma'am,
Please promise him. Yes, he will.
Can I help you?
Yes, absolutely correct.
Ma'am,
Can I help you?
actually-
Yes. Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I help you? So I think this is visible to you all. The next one, we dash obey the laws of the land. Tell me, children. You dash clean your room. You dash clean your room.
Should.
For the fifth one, what you are going to write? You dash clean your room.
Should clean your room. Ma'am,
Yes,
should.
you should clean your room. Yes, next one. We dash keep the lights and fans switched off when they are not in use.
We should.
We should or we must. We can write or should we are giving advice. We should. Next. Seventh. So I think this is not the page.
We can
Wait.
improve the
Wait,
existing
beta, wait,
education
wait.
system.
Wait. This is the page, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine. We dash improve the existing
improve the
education
existing.
system.
Ma'am, we can.
We can improve or we must improve.
Ma'am, we can.
We can, we must also can come. We can. We can improve. Can. The next one. Eighth one. Dash, you have a wonderful day.
May.
Very good. Absolutely correct. May, when you are wishing someone, we are using may.
Yes, ma'am.
Ninth one. I dash go to see the film. The reviews are good. I dash go to see the film. The reviews are good.
I
So
must.
here you are giving decision. I will. Simple will can come.
I will.
He's promising that reviews are good. I'll go to. Okay. I definitely be at the airport to receive you. Here you are promising that what will come here. Again, when we make a promise, we use will. Okay. When we are promising someone, we use will. She dash take her meals regularly. She dash take her meals. She should or she must. She should.
She
You
will.
must.
She should or she must. Both are
Ma'am,
correct. Yes. You can use should also. You can use must also. Okay. Then next one. You dash reach home before 11. She said.
you should reach home before 11.
Don't you think must will come here? Because she is saying before 11. You must.
Ma'am, must can come.
Yes. He's obligating. Okay. Next. Dash, we go for a walk.
Can
We
we
are
go for a walk?
giving
Can go.
suggestion.
Go.
We are
Ma'am,
giving
can.
suggestion. Yes. Can we go for a walk? Yes. Can we go for a walk? Next one. The soldiers in the army dash wear a uniform. The soldiers in the army dash wear a uniform.
Army will wear a uniform.
Will.
The soldiers in the army will wear a
must.
uniform. Must.
Ma'am, must.
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am.
Must wear a uniform. Next one.
There is one more point I will refer to. Ma'am,
I
will
should
there.
refer to. I should refer to.
Ma'am, will there.
There is one more point I should refer to, or I will refer to. You have worked hard, you dash pass. You have worked hard, Tell me, children. You will pass.
You may
Yes.
pass.
You will pass. It is very cloudy. It dash rain. So here you are showing some possibility. It is very cloudy.
Will rain. Will.
It may rain. It may rain. Okay, good possibility.
Ma'am, may.
May rain. Yes, it may rain. It may rain. Next. You dash be properly dressed when you come to office.
You should.
You will.
Here,
Ma'am, you should not
here,
master.
here you can't give advice. You must be. You are obligating someone that he has to follow. When we are obligating something that he has to follow such or the thing that is necessary, we will use must. Okay. When we are giving advice, then you can use should. Okay. Advice or suggestion you are giving, you can use should. But when there is necessity, then you are going to use must. So, children, shall I rub up to this much? 7 up
Ma'am,
to
next
7?
is can. Will you like to come to the party tomorrow?
Yes.
Ma'am, next is can.
No.
Can you like
No. No. No.
come to the party?
Polite request you are making.
Will you? Will.
More polite. More polite. Would you like to come to the party tomorrow? Okay, when we are more polite, we use would.
Okay.
Next, people dash not tell lies. Now
Should.
here you are giving advice, should not.
Ma'am,
Okay?
should.
Yes, you are giving advice. C part. Now we are doing the C part. P1. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate models in accordance with the instructions given in the brackets. When there is a weak possibility, we are using might. Okay. Polite request. Polite request, we are using would. Do not worry. Promise. When you are making a promise. Okay. When we are making a promise, we use which model?
Ma'am, weak
Come on,
possible.
children. Will. Dash, I take your leave. Asking for permission.
Ma'am,
Can.
when there is low possibility, ma'am, there will be might. I might attend the
Yes,
concert.
absolutely right.
If there is low possibility to attend
Yes.
the
Yes.
concert.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it right?
Yes, beta. So what will come here? I dash attend the concert. Weak possibility.
I can.
Come on, you will
I might.
I might.
Ma'am?
Very good. Next one. Dash you pass on this message to my family. Polite request.
Would.
Ma'am, would.
Could you pass? Could you pass?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Do not worry, you dash receive a scholarship. Promise.
Having a doubt.
Promise. When you are making a promise, which model you are using?
Will.
Will. Very good. Will.
Ma'am, Ananya is having a doubt. Please unmute her.
Wait, I'll unmute her.